equations with homogeneous coefficients. Solve the differential equation 5b minus u du plus 3b minus 7u dv equals 0. For this type of differential equations, we will introduce another variable, and then, for example, we let u equals vx, and then du will be v dx plus x dv. Next, we will substitute u here and this du here. We now have 5b minus u, which is now bx, times du, which is v dx plus x dv, plus 3b minus 7 u will be vx times dv equals 0. Then we will multiply v dx to here. We get 5b squared minus b squared x times dx. And then we will group all coefficients of dv that involves this, and this. Starting with 5b, so we have plus 5b x minus bx squared. Dx is coming from here, okay? Plus 3b minus 7bx times dv equals 0. Okay, again, this 5b squared is from this times this. This b squared x is from this times this. This 5bx is from this times this. Then this bx squared is from here times here. And finally, this is just this one. And then after that, we can see that there are common factors. For the first term, we have b squared. And for the second term, we have b. So if we factor out b squared, we have b squared times 5 minus x times dx. Plus factor out b, so we have times 3. 3 is from here. And then next we will combine like terms. 5 minus 7 is negative 2x, and then minus x squared times dv equals 0. So next we will separate the variables by multiplying the whole equation by 1 over v squared times 3 minus 2x minus x squared. Okay, so for the first term, this v squared will cancel out, and we have 5 minus x over 3 plus 2x minus x squared. And for the second term, this v will cancel out. We only have v here. And then this whole term will also cancel out. And we'll have dv over b equals 0. Okay, next we will deal with this term here. 3 minus 2x minus x squared can be factored like this. So 3 is just a product of 3 times 1, and x squared is x times x. And then minus 2x, that means the biggest product will have the negative sign. So that should be 3 times negative x will give you negative 3, or minus 3 plus 1 is negative 2. So the denominator of the first term will become 3 plus x times 1 minus x plus dv over b equals 0. Now the numerator can be written like this. 4 plus 1, that is 5, minus x over 3 plus x times 1 minus x plus dv over b equals 0. This we do so that we can group this. Okay, this one will be 4 over 3 plus x over 1 minus x. And then this one will be plus 1 minus x over 3 plus x over 1 minus x dx. And plus dv over b equals 0. Then, for this term, we are going to decompose that into partial fraction. 4 over 3 plus x over 1 minus x will be just the sum of two fractions, one with denominator 3 plus x, the other one is 1 minus x. But we do not know the numerators first, so we'll just call it a and b. And then we will multiply everything by 3 plus x times 1 minus x, and then we will have 4 equals a times 1 minus x plus b times 3 plus x. And then we assign values for x so that at least one of the unknown a or b will be eliminated. For example, we let x equals negative 3. This will be negative 3. So 3 minus negative 3 is 0. So this term will be 0. And we will only have 4 equals a times 1 minus negative 3 is 4. And then we will have our a equals 1. Okay, next we let x equals 1. So if we let x equals 1, this will be 1. So that's 1 minus 1 is 0. So this term will be 0. And then we will have 4 equals b times 3 plus 1 is 4. And that will give us b equals 1. So this equation now becomes, okay, starting with this, we have 1 over 3 plus x. Then this one, we have plus 1 over 1 minus x. And then this one will cancel out, and we have 1 over 3 plus x times dx plus dv over v equals 0. Then we can still combine this plus this, and we get 2 over 3 plus x. And then copy the rest, 1 over 1 minus x times dx plus dv over v equals 0. Okay, so now we can integrate, and the integral of the first term 2 over 3 plus x is just 2 ln of 3 plus x. The integral of the next term 1 over 1 minus x is negative ln of 1 minus x plus ln of b equals c, or we can write ln of c. Then we will copy that equation into the next slide. 2 times ln of 3 plus x minus ln of 1 minus x plus ln of b equals ln of c. So by law of logarithm, we can multiply b from ln of b and 3x squared from 2 times ln of 3 plus x divided by 1 minus b equals ln of c. Then we get the exponential of both sides of the equation, and we will have over 1 minus x equals c. Multiply the whole equation by 1 minus x, we get this. And we know from u equals vx, it follows that x is u over b. And then we substitute x equals u over b. We have b times 3 plus u over b squared equals c times 1 minus u over b. And then we get the least common denominator of the left side of the equation, which is b. Then the numerator becomes 3b plus u. On the right side of the equation, we also have a least common denominator of b, and numerator becomes b minus. And that is the same as this one. We can cancel b and this one, and we can also cancel this and this. So our final answer is 3b plus u squared equals c times b minus u.